Hey everybody, it's me, Cameron, and in today's video I have something I haven't done in quite some time. Today's video is pretty exciting. I'm going to be announcing something pretty big for this channel and honestly a pretty big development in my life. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of some products from DELL XPS. In the recent weeks, I have now become a DELL XPS College Ambassador, and I am so thrilled to be working with this amazing company and to be sharing this content with you all. I'm really excited to see what comes from this, and I will get into a lot of more details about this ambassadorship as the videos come on, but this video is all about the unboxing. So DELL XPS just sent me out a huge box, and I am excited to open it up and share it with you guys. So I cleared off my desk. Hopefully this is enough space. So let's get started. So before I get started with the unboxing, I need to let you guys know that if you like what you see, DELL actually provided a coupon code for you to use. If you use the code on the screen, CameronXPS, that'll give you $50 off a laptop purchase of $599 or more. That's a pretty big discount, so definitely check it out. The link to the specific website will be down below in the description. With that being said, let's get this open. So I'm gonna start off standing just so I can get everything out of this box. It is, very heavy, and once it's all out on the table, I'll sit back down, so don't worry about that. I'm sure you guys can see the orange and blue in there. That's a pretty nice touch. Go Gators. All right, I'm able to see what's in here. I'm really excited to get this all opened up. Just give me a couple more seconds. That was not easy. Alright, so hopefully you guys can all see me a little bit better right now, but it really does feel like Christmas morning. I've got a lot of things to unbox here. These are all the products from DELL. I also got sent over some things that will just help me overall elevate my videos to the next level. So I think we'll save the DELL and the best stuff for last. Let's quickly go through some of the other things that I was sent just to bring my videos to the next level. So I'm not going to spend too much time unboxing these things. I'm just going to quickly go over what they are and what they'll do to help me with my videos. So first of all, I've got a selfie ring light. It looks like this clamps onto my iPhone or my laptop and will just overall add a little bit more light to my beautiful face. Next up, I've got a lavalier microphone, which is probably a pretty requested thing here on this channel. I've gotten a lot of complaints about my audio in the past. A lot of you guys have been watching that what I learned from applying to 100 internships video, and I've had some complaints saying there is no audio at all. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I can hear it just fine, but I think this will help resolve some of those issues. Next up, I've got a stream webcam, so I'm definitely super excited about that. I can hook this up to my monitor just so I can have a better camera for Zooms or streams if I decide to go down that route, but I'm definitely excited to get my hands on one of these. Next up, I've got a microphone. So this again is really gonna bring those videos and the audio quality to that next level. Kind of related to that, I've got a pop filter for the microphone just to make that audio a little bit more clear. Again, elevating the video quality to the best of its abilities. Finally, I've got another product here. Not entirely sure what it is, just based off the box. Awesome, so this looks like it's another ring light for my phone, but it's also a tripod. So I'm recording on kind of a sketchy tripod right now, so this is definitely very needed and will be put to great use. So those were all the accessories that were sent to me. Now let's get into the actual DELL products. Now, of course, all of the links to these products will be down below in the description. And like I said before, if you like what you see here, you can use my coupon code on the screen, CameronXPS, for $50 off of your purchase of a laptop of $599 or more. So with that all being said, let's dive into these. So the first thing I'm gonna open up is this bad boy right here. This is what I am most looking forward to. Not sure if you can guess what it is just based off the box, but you soon will see why I am just so excited. You guys need to let me know how I'm doing with this whole unboxing thing. If you've been following me for a long time, I used to do it for sneakers. This obviously, presents some new challenges. It's not quite as simple as the sneakers, but it's bringing me back to my roots, and I hope you guys enjoy that. Again, another clarification that I am a business major, not an engineering major. There we go. Oof. Here we go, let's open this up. Beautiful Dell packaging here on the box. Nice black matte look. All right, I'm excited now. Here we go, let's get this out. Beautiful. Here we have a Dell XPS 15 laptop. It's pretty glary right here, but this is a beautiful laptop. Just holding it in my hands right now, I can tell just how quality it is. It's definitely a solid laptop, but it is, a 15-inch, so it's a little bit bigger than, a 13-inch, obviously. But in reality, I'm just so excited to finally get my hands on this. I'm gonna open this up right now, and you guys can see my initial reaction. That is pretty. You can tell just holding it how quality and durable this thing really is. Opening it up for the first time. Wow. Wow, I'm looking forward to using this laptop right here. There will be B-roll on the screen going right now to give you a little bit more detail on these shots, but it's got the carbon fiber on the interior, pretty large speakers. I'm definitely looking forward to having some bigger speakers on my laptop. And the thing that first caught my eye is this amazing screen. As you can see from the B-roll, it's got very small bezels on each side of the screen, so it really doesn't give up any screen real estate. Pretty much every square millimeter of the screen is being utilized. I also need to include that this is also a touchscreen, so that is definitely something very new for me as far as my laptops. So I'm really looking forward to see how I decide to implement that into my workflow and productivity. Also, one thing I need to mention before going on to those next products, it's really just like feeling out this keyboard right now, I'm kind of just blown away. It has a really great feel to it, very minimal key travel, and it just seems more responsive than some of the keyboards I've used in laptops in the past. Now, I'm not gonna pretend like I know all the crazy specs of the laptop, but I can see right here, it's an Intel Core i7, so I know it's gonna have quite a lot of power behind it. So this is the first product that I was sent from Dell, the Dell XPS 15 laptop with the touchscreen. I'm really looking forward to testing out this laptop, implementing it into my daily productivity. And of course, if you're interested in purchasing one of your own, the link to buy it will be in the description below. Also, I feel like I should include what is inside this box. Again, very premium. So first, we've got the power cable to the charger, and then of course the charger, it is USB-C. But overall, all of the cords are black, so it's got the nice, sleek design that I really like. Now that we've got the laptop unboxed, let's get into the keyboard. All right, here we go. First impressions, very, very nice. So just upon getting this out of the box, I'm very pleased to see that it did include 2 sets of batteries, so that is always very nice. You can get straight into using it. Also included is a pretty cool looking mouse. I'm gonna get this out of the bag just so I can see a little bit more detail on it. So this is the Dell Premier wireless keyboard and mouse, and just on holding it right now, I can really tell that this is very good quality. Feeling this, great keys, looking forward to typing up a storm on these. Also, the mouse is very ergonomic, as you can see here and probably from the B-roll. It looks like it's just gonna fit around the hand. Great. I'm definitely looking forward to maximizing my productivity with these 2 products. Okay, and finally, last but not least, I'm sure you can tell from the box, but this is going to be a monitor. This is something that I'm definitely looking forward to. If you don't currently have a monitor as part of your desk setup, I don't know what you're doing. I don't think anything has really improved my productivity as much as a monitor. I just got the monitor all set up. Surprisingly, it only took about 30 seconds, which is always an added bonus. But here we go, taking off this protective mat. Oh, beautiful. So this right here is the Dell Ultrasharp 24-inch monitor. You can see here, it's sitting on the stand. You can bend it up, down, you can go vertical if you really want. And it is an Ultrasharp monitor, so that means that the image quality on this is truly top tier, which is really just gonna help me fine-tune my videos and make them as good as possible. Also, I'm sure you've seen in my other videos, I do have another Dell monitor, so it's gonna be really cool to kind of add these both to the rotation. I think currently the setup I'm gonna go with is I'm gonna have this in landscape mode, and I'm gonna have the other one tilted vertically, just to optimize that productivity even more. So that concludes the video. Again, a huge thank you to Dell XPS for sending these amazing products my way. Like I've said countless times in this video, I'm really looking forward to just implementing these into my daily routine and maximizing my productivity in both academics and in producing these videos for you guys. Like I said before, if you're interested in purchasing this laptop, you can use the coupon code on the screen, Cameron XPS, for $50 off of your order of $599 or more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been forever since I've done an unboxing, but it's always nice to open up some free gifts. That's all I've got for you guys today. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.